Hello everyone, we are Hack Horizon and our project is DBT Mitra. Our aim is simple to clear the confusion between Aadhaar linked and DBT enabled accounts. Now, why does this matter? Because millions think linking Aadhaar means automatic benefits. Now that is not true. It's like ordering food but forgetting to hit confirm. Nothing arrives. DBT Mitra fixes this with an engaging and interactive approach. We have got 7 unique value propositions to show you exactly how.
Our first UVP will be video demonstration. By this, the user will get a broader understanding of the current real-world scenarios of DBT. For example, initially government always sent the benefit amount to the beneficiary via the middleman, but the middleman never sent the complete amount to the beneficiary. By this, the beneficiary never get the complete benefit amount. So the government initiated a DBT system. With the DBT system, the government eliminates the middleman. And now the benefit amounts is directly sent to the beneficiary via the Aadhaar linking and DBT enabled accounts. With this video demonstration, the user will get a broader understanding of the DBT system and why DBT system was implemented by the government.
Our second UVP is story composition. We use comic style views to represent how the DBT work, how the people know that how the people register for the DBT, and what is the difference between Aadhaar link and DBT. For example, if there are two people, Disha and Shiva, Disha is linked with the Aadhaar but didn't get the DBT benefits, and while Shivam is linked with the Aadhaar and also registered for the DBT, and he gets his scholarship directly in his DBT account. That's the reason we use comic style sections to represent the DBT values. The stories are very simple, interactive, and easy to understand for every people who may not be able to read the documents.
Our third UVP is gamification with quizzes. Nobody likes reading banking documentation, right? And our quizzes just do that. They make learning fun with MCQs, true-false question, and even drag and drop tasks. And the best part, it's the feedback. If you get it right, you will see a fun animation celebrating your victory. But if you unfortunately get wrong, it will be just so better luck next time. But don't you worry, because DBT Myth got your back.
The fourth unique value proposition of our DBT project is that we have this feature called cross-platform feature. In this feature, a user who is not compatible with laptop can also access the app in mobile phone, through which the user can see their data and also differentiate between whether they have DBT account or they have Aadhaar seeded account.
Language switching. With just one click, user can switch between English and Hindi and more languages in future, making DBT Mitra accessible to a much wider audience. As we grow, we are planning to add more regional languages. And the sixth is AI Assistant Chatbot. It is like a 24/7 guide. If someone asks, "Do I check my DBT status?" then the chatbot provides step-by-step guidance. So it is basically a helper which is with you for all the day and answer all your queries.
Our seventh UVP is learning modules. Learning modules help dive deeper into the world of DBT with well-structured, easy-to-follow content. These modules cover everything from Aadhaar seeding to how DBT actually works using real examples and comparisons. Designed to educate seriously and clearly, they ensure no student is left confused. DBT Mitra is interactive through simulations, engaging through stories, fun through quizzes, accessible offline, multilingual, guided by AI chatbot, and packed with structured learning. This makes DBT awareness clear, fun, and empowering. We believe our solution will build transparency, increase awareness, and help millions trust the government benefit transfer system. We are Hack Horizon, and this was our project DBT Mitra. Thank you.